Siyempre, sa ano. Double check ko lang.
Team Aldo against Adi Garage.
Gets mo na yan. Pagka nag-jump ball, pa. Turuan ko muna siya dito. Hindi ako yun. Okay. Gets mo na yan, parang naglalaro dyan eh. Huwag ka titingin dito. Dito lang.
Yeah.
Pinasok ang ng first time. Pagkitanggal ang hinaw, Warriors, 6 toss. Balik. Nakalagyan ko na. Sounds good. Chip Quaresma. Easy.
Nakikita mo naman
There's a whistle. Play 8-11 foul. Villacorta. Gandhi.
Tapos, laging kita sideline.
3 points by Gandhi.
3 points, kada lamang.
3 points na.
No, 5.
Ali Gualabado. Inside pass. Dionisio. Again. Turn on rebound. Again. Behind Bulan. To Gandhi. Again. We check that. Villacorta again. Again. Behind Bulan. Gandhi. Here.
Yung
Sevilla.
mga dead ball, kung may oras na.
Again.
Pass pa rin.
Number 34. Villacorta with number 2. Alabado. 27. Wadi. 15 to shoot. Adi. Miguel Villada. Jump ball. Same ball.
Wag mo nang ganyan eh. Ganyan naman lang.
11.
Iyan mo na ngayon sa 11. 11 mo ngayon para sabay dun sa save mo. Tapos play mo.
Alabado Sevilla. 3 points.
Grabe ka, Andrew. Fast learner pala ka.
Number 34, Villacorta. No good. He was on the line. Adi to Sevilla. 3 points. Good work to number 128.
Kung natalo ng Kenny, takot pa rin nata kayo.
Baka. Hindi yung knock out eh. Or one. Tapos ba? Ano ba? Ilan na tayo?
Ay, siya.
Big check down.
Pero pinalo yun eh.
Hindi, pinalo din nila.
Bula. 15 to shoot.
Oo, tama. Pag-usapan niya namin na kahit talon kayo niya tapos.
Gandhi. Nogueira. Ivan Abibisela. Number 17. Good for 2. Fifteen Osongo. Villacorma. Cesar Guarasma. 10 to shoot. Tula. Good for 2. Number 17 Alabama. And there's the result. How there's number 28-11. Second personal foul, Kit Quaresma. First is good. Good. Pull number 128. Pass ball. Foul jersey number 44. Ivan Sevilla. Dionisio. Foul jersey 211. Third personal foul. Tatlo ka na agad, Chip. Pasok.
Bumaba, Andrew.
Bula. Number 24. Back to Bula. Pagdiyan ang shot na. Gandhi. Look ahead. Ball the way down on 128. Good for 2. All 13. Inman Alabama to Junicio. Number 44, Junicio. To Sevilla. In and out. Rebound. Number to Salana. Nogana. Sanuana. Good for 2. King Hyde.
Okay lang yun. Okay, mo na lang.
Yeah. Kanya. Labuhana. 3 points. Agang-agang ito na. 4 minutes and 45 seconds away. He's on. To Sevilla. Bustos. Good for 2. Kanya. Round 52. 50 on the shot clock. Kulana. Nogueira. Ivan Bustos. He's on it. Too strong. Ivan Bustos. Alabano, 10 to shoot. Santos Valverde, Ivan Chua. Number 81, Cabana. 15 on the shot line. No good. Now Gulanaga. No good, but over the rebound. Alabano. No good. Alabano rebound. And there's the result. Foul jersey number 21. Personal foul. What's up? Gets them both. 3 minutes and 20 seconds to play. 2 on number 21. No good. Rebound Tanya. No good. Ball for the rebound. Alabama. Number 17. Good for 2. Tony Tanya, number 52. Score 21-16. Traveling violation. Kizon.
Gusto dito, iwan ka dito ah.
O, sige, sige.
Wala.
Sevilla. Nogueira. Santos.
Wag ka ito.
And there's the result. Foul jersey number 128.
Bakit ito naman sa baba?
Fifteen to shoot. Gulanaga. Tulak jumper. Nogueira. Rebound Bustos. Nogueira. Alabama. Basket. Yes, sumahabit na. First personal foul out of the So again, Kulana, for Bezana, go he's on the score 23-18. Alabama, for Bustos, good for 2. Chua. Nogueira. Ivan Sevilla. Number 17, the Bustos. Good for 2. Foul just number 9. Santos. Number 26, Santos. Harus bertanya. Semua berhenti bola. Red ball. Chua. Hit the shot again. Chua. He got pass. Nogueira. Para may rebound. Alabama number 17, 35 seconds to play. Keys on to Bustos. Spear. Ball to 8. Tugel. Wala pa rin. Keys on rebound. And there's Caruso foul. There's number 128. 7 personal foul. Penalty na. Ang pinal ko. Ten seconds. 2 5.
Tin. Pagit to. Ika pagit. Set period 2 na. Lagi ka na to. Second part ay set period.
Magandang po na. Magandang po.
Okay. Sige. Okay.
Red ball. Chip Quaresma. Chua. 3 points. Ali Nogueira, rebound Chip Quaresma. To Gandhi. To Chua, number 21. Nogueira, rebound Janisha. Number 44. Back to Juniso. Here's jumper again. Rebound Juniso. Wala pa rin. Same ball. Ali. No good. Juniso. No good. Bustos. Good for 2. Again. Hold on. No good. 2-1. Villacorta. Good for 2. Junior number 44. Nice pass. Good for Jay Bustos. Gandhi. Bula, 50 on the shot clock. Chip Quaresma. So then, rebound number 4, Penny. Release on number 44. No good. For Penny, no good. Ali. No good. Rebound Gandhi. Villacorta. Gandhi. Nice pass. Good play to Chua. San Juan, number 87. Junicio. Number 44, 15 is Lucas. Junicio, pumunit. Number 81. Buya, number 14. Bulana. And there is also foul, there is number 57. First step. Pinch favor ng mga isang tinalba. Adi, number 1. Cross pass, Jalisho. And there's a whistle. Foul, there's a number. Sino? Foul, there's number 14. Pasok. Kizon, Sevilla. Okay. Tanya. Wala. Alabado.
Pare, time out kami.
Santos. Rodriguez. Juliana. O'Connor. 14. Alabado. Number 420. Santos. Rodriguez. Ivan Gandhi. Kanya. Rodriguez, we have Kizon. Number 24. Bounce pass for Alabado. And there's the whistle. Now there's the number. Number 2. Team Alto. Pasok. Rodriguez, rebound. Alabado. Kulana. Drop pass, Dani. Good for 2. Santos. Same ball. Rogel, Rebound, Hanya. Salvarane, to Sevilla. Rogel, number 14. Rogel, Sevilla, number 2. Kenya. 15 to shoot. He's a pass to Alabado. Alabado, the number 24, keeps on. No good, Alabado again. Good for 2. Kenya. Steal. Bulan, number 14. Bounce pass, number 1, 2, 8, 8, well. Morgan, rebound Bulan. Back number 1 to 8. Nogel. Hanya, mid-range jumper. Easy two. Alabado, number 17. To Sevilla. Good. Score 41-40. Bulan. Mahina na. Kaya. 3 seconds. Alabama. Steal. Santos. Number 2. Pulana. Rogel. Pasok by Rally. Number 2. Rogel. Sevilla. 15 seconds away. Alabado. Number 2. 10 seconds. Double reward. Alabado. 3 points. End of the first half, the score 49-43.
Kanya, naiwan ka ka. Kanya sa dribble ka, nagpapol. Sinilipol mo ba?
Mababa talaga. Mababa. Oo.
Wala, hindi mo sa.
Kaya nga, dandan ko nga. Ganyan lang ginagawa ko.
To Alabado. Second grade. No good. We have Chip Quaresma. Bautista. No good. Rebound Bustos. Right this one. No good. Chip Quaresma. Virgil number 81. So it's just gone. 49-45. Steal. Number 81. No good. 2 on good. No good. Foul jersey number 28. Official score up 49-45. First personal foul. Sumama na lang isa. Wala na ba? Miguel Bustos. Good birthday. Bautista. 3 points. Bustos number 9. Guadalajara, 15 on the shot clock. Good for 2, by number 17. Two on number 21. 50 on the shot clock, Bautista. 2-1. No there, rebound, Vinicius. Good for 2 on the 7. Villafora number 34. Good for 2 number 34, Villafora. Inbound Bustos to Junicio number 44. Fifteen to shoot. No good. Rebound Bautista. Good for 2 by Junicio. No good. Number 34, bounce pass. Good pass. Nice pass. No good. Rebound Bustos. Alvarado. Good for 2. Number 21. 15 on shot clock. 2-1. Basket. Foul number 30 more out. Foul number 44, Judicial. Second personal foul number 44. Second. Bonus. Okay, we're on Junicio. Ali is on the line. Junicio number 44. Together, rebound, Chip Quaresma. To Bautista. Bautista. Pass number 28, no good. Ball on the rebound, Bautista there. Good for 2. Number 17 Alabama. Nice pass. Number 2 by Bustos. Bautista, easy save. Good for Jigga Pinay. Okay.
Saan niya, pre? Sabay na natin. Kay Dale.
Alabama. Steal. Kuchua. Good for 2.
Bolgat! Bolgat! Ay, atong bola. Bolga, wala pa naman foul eh.
Bautista. Good for 2.
Ter, foul ka, Ter! Gusto mo ng sap, ayaw mo mag-foul?
15 on shot clock. No good.
Kabila!
Stop. Okay. Tawag. Palit-palit doon ang damit. Score 63-16. Bautista. No good. Rebound Santos. No good. Rebound Bautista. There's up. No good. Rebound. Alabama. Good for 2 and number 17.
Papa!
Gandhi. Good for 2 and Gandhi.
Kulang!
He's on. Guadalajara.
Dos lang? Dos, tapak kuwit.
Yan, mas nang galing bata. Santos. Good for 2.
Nice one.
No good. And there's a result. Wow, there's an over. 9. 7 personal foul on the 9. First two is good. No good. Rebound Bautista. Good for 2. The score 65-67. He's on to Santos. 3 points. Number 17 Alabama. Good for 2. Team Alpha.
Bawi.
Gandhi. 50 on the shot clock. Good for three, number 128. 2 minutes to play. He's on number 24. Together, Ivan Santosa. Bustos, number 14. He's back. Five to shoot. And Bex. Bola, Savannah.
Yun!
3 points. He's on number 24. 15 to shoot, Alabago. 3 points. Good for the Nandista. Ladies and gentlemen, Ten seconds to play. Santos. Nogueira, rebound, Bustos. Good for two. Chua. Gandhi. Ghana. Bulgaria. Alabama, Victoria Shotton. Sevilla, nice pass. Abu. Rejected. Gandhi again. Good for two. Lion take up. Santos to number 17. Good for Joy Alabama. Gandhi. Number 1. Santos. Good for 2. Number 1 to win. 50 shot lock. Tanya. Shot lock down to 10. Bautista. No good. Rebounded. Bustos. Sandosa. Rebound. Team Alba. Isang timeout na lang kayo, Team Alba. Meron pa tatlo. Back to the ball game. Tanya. Ready. Good Bautista. Alabano. Score 84-76. Number 17. To Santos. Number 26. Good for 2 by Santos. Chua. Inada. Ibel Santos. Adi. To Sevilla. Good for 2. Gandhi. Luis Santos. Number 26. Alabano. 3 points. Atras na yan.
Ano lang tayo mo dati kuya?
91-76. Bautista with for 2. Number 17. Alabano with the shot lock.
Okay, natin.
Sub, sino? Gandhi out. We have number 72. Bautista. And there's a whistle. Foul there's number 35. First touch good. Pasak. Bustos, Santos. Alabano. Bustos. Basket. Stop. Number 21. Pula, number 128. Foot. Dominic Allen. Tua, good for 2. Alabama, number 17. Tackle. Nice pass. Good for 2. No good. Para Dominic Allen. Pula. Good for 2. Number 1, Guadalajara. Buscoso. Good for 2. Oh, there's another. Best hand. Oh, there's number 26, Santos. First personal foul. Third team foul. Sudah dengan Bustos. Santos. Good play to the Santos. Good play to the Gulana. It's 488-100. Santos. Number 420. Together, Ian Bautista. Number 72. Steal. Power verse number 72. Stop. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Alabama. Ganda ng pasa. Good for the Bustos. Villacorta. Nogueira. Rebound number 81. Good for 2. 3 minutes and 25 seconds to play on the last quarter. It's score 102-90. Alabama. He's on it. Just pass Alabama. He got past Santos. And there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 72. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Sab.
Kabesa hinahabol. Jali. Ang digarang. Meron pang isang timeout ng Team Alpha, dalawa sa ating garage. Grab the ball. Bautista. Fuera de la cuadra. Quizá. Number 81. No good. De la Corta. No good. Christos rebound. Last 2 minutes. Time to shoot. Bautista, good for 2. Seven. Santos. Number 17. Alabama. Tunisia. And the shoot. Foul goes number 21, pushing foul. Warning for penalty, second personal foul. Dionisio, 10 to shoot. Sagohaga. No good. Gami. One in the play. 2-1, number 21. Foul jersey number 26. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Pasok. Ano ba? Meron pa kayong tig-isang timeout. Bago mo eh. Dionisio. Foul goes number 21, penalty. Third personal foul. Pasok. One to end, to 2-1. Number 21, 2-1. Good shot, no good. And one Gandhi. Bulan to Bautista. Good for 2. Alabama. Foul jersey number 21. Warning for foul out. Fourth personal foul. Pasok. Seconds to play. Gandhi to Bautista. 2-1 number 21.
Tira!
No good. Foul ko lang lang, Bautista. No good. Gandhi. Good for 2.
Pound!
107 to 99.
Pound!
Foul goes to number 21. Number 21. Foul down. No good. 15 seconds. Gandhi.
Press!
10 seconds. Bulan. Good for 2. 5.
Okay, Dale. Stop ko na rito.